how to make multicolor pond with different colors of water lily. Easy DIY pond. Water lilies come in many beautiful colors, including white, purple, pink, yellow, blue, lavender, cream, peach, red. Today, I am creating a beautiful multicolor pond in just a few steps. I took a big pot and filled it with clean water. Then, very gently, I placed the purple and white water lilies on the surface. With a little patience and gentle movement, the water began to look like a real pond. Calm, colorful, and peaceful. You can collect different color of water lily and make your pond multicolor.